When you have a good smile, you are more open to people. You just are more relaxed. You don't have to hide your smile or face or your mouth. My name is Donna, and I had a bridge made at Smile Makers. She explained all the pros and cons. I had more knowledge than I wanted, and she made sure that I knew all the steps. She made sure that I understood why we were doing it. So here I am with really good bridge work. And you know, I really am happy this way. They are definitely matched. I can bite into an apple now if I want to. I was amazed. I would highly recommend them without hesitation.